So a lot of people have been asking me how I like to store rice, and I like to store it into a really good airtight container, something like this. You can buy them online, very easy to find, and they do come in different sizes, so choose and pick which one fits for you. Once I place all the rice in there, close the lid really tight and then just store it in your pantry somewhere kind of dark and cool, and that's pretty much it. So if you're like my mom and I, we do love to keep these rice bags because they are quite useful. They are great to upcycle as grocery bags, and we love to grocery shop with them, store our groceries in there, and it holds up pretty well. Now, there's some rice that do come in fabric bags, and like my mom, she loves to use it and turn it into tote bags like this. This is probably one of my favorites. But the woven texture ones are great to be used as a liner to cool down your rice, especially sticky rice, because it prevents the rice from sticking to it. So you'll see some already on kind of like a woven basket here, already attached to it, and you can buy it like this already made. But if you don't have a woven basket or anything to put the rice bag over, you can just cut it into a bigger size and do what my grandma does. She just face it flat down onto the table and she'll flip her rice and cool it down like this. So keep your rice bag. They do come in handy once in a while.